For financial insomnia, I borrowed this idea from a friend of mine, Doug Miller, who works as an executive for the DaVita Corporation. The first thing is ask, what is stressing you? And really make a list of what that is. And the stressors reveal unpreparedness or involvement in something you're not clear about. Second, as we have here in Doug's chart, you draw a circle. Outside the circle are the disappointments, the uncertainties, the big events, the natural disasters, the pandemics, even in some cases, the market crashes you had nothing to do with. But inside this circle, the regret, the areas you had some type of control. By splitting these apart, you're going to feel probably a little better because you're going to take that uncertainty off the table and you can focus on those areas where you do have control.